What's going on, everybody? So the reason we are playing Doggy Don't Care here on Crash City Downtown is, well, because of this creature right here. This is Bailey. This is actually my dog. She is a pug and wiener dog mixed. We got her June 14th, almost 2 years ago. Actually, her birthday will be here soon. The reason we chose Bailey is because her second day home, she was watching Clash at the Castle, and she had already been really scared. And this office looked a little bit different back then. I actually had the TV in here, and she wasn't adjusting too well. And so when we were watching Clash at the Castle, Bailey actually was coming out. She was the women's champion at the time, and when I was cheering for Bailey, Bailey would perk up. She got excited. She didn't know what was going on, and it is a weird story when I tell it, but I'm very happy because that was something that me and her got to experience. So I was like, wow, this game looks like my dog. Let's play this game. Okay, Charlie, I'm leaving for a little while.
Ramusht. Perfeliso. Mia.
Snacks around.
Mia. Rayblade.
That should keep you busy.
Mia. Exa Mia.
No more naughty business like last time.
Printua.
You good boy. Oh, Rocco, always sleeping in. I need to wake him up. Wee. Oh, I'm a little dog. This is awesome. Oh, you're horrible, dude. That's messed up. Boink. Rocco, quit parrot napping. The humans have taken off. Oh, I need to wake him up, or today will be featherly dull without him. Cute. Alright, well, I lost my ball. I have no idea what these yellow things are, so I'm kind of... Got a snack, got another snack. Oh my, got another snack. Another snack, another snack. Good morning, Sleepy Beak. Got any adventures for us? Funny you should ask. I've just got the thing. I made some mischievous badges for you. Mischievous badges? Yeah, but hey, the humans left snacks around the house. Find them first and we can start talking about these mischievous badges. Oh, I farted! Oh! I am king. I am king of the Roomba. I'm absolute locked. Look at my little taps! I definitely have to have the creator of this game on the show. Wouldn't be mischievous if I give you a list. Okay, I'll sniff around and figure out on my own. That's awesome. I can? Just have to jump and then jump again while in the air. Oh, this is gonna be horrible. Oh, this is gonna be horrible. He's teaching me how to double jump. Oh. Oh, there we go. Oh, that is... Boink. Okay. Oi. Oh, I can't get in there. Am I not strong enough? Boink. Oh no, but I have the right idea. Already as this little dog. Oh no, almost did it. Boink. I know this has to be one, right? Is that not a mischievous pouch? Oh, the humans love the piano. You're in for it now. Have a bird's eye view of everything is wild. I'm playing music. Oh, I got a little suit. I'm a cat. Oh no, I didn't do that. I didn't do that. Oh my god. Almost. Oh wait. Oh, trick shot. Oh, that didn't work. Wait. Trick shot. Boink. 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 Wait. That one did that one? That one fell upside down. That is wild. Wait. Oh, wait. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, I went through the table. That's, oh my god. I went through the table. Boink. I gotta get water. Yeah. Oh, I didn't do that. Yeah, I can't even get outside yet. I've wasted too. I'm too small. I'm still too small. Playing basketball. Oh! We got it. We are the greatest of all time. We're the greatest beans of all time. I am the true king here. It is me! Me and my tippy tappies! Tippy! Tappy! Oh, look at me. Look at me run at -2 miles an hour. Oh! Then, oh, Giannis. Ah, yeah, bird. Yeah, bird. Yeah, bird. You know what? You're coming with me. You're coming with me, lawn gnome. Go. Go. Well, oh. There we go. Oh. That's for those treats I never got. I'm still a cat. Boink. 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 Oh, wow, I messed up. Oh, yeah. 360, no scope. Oh, did it go in there? Oh, it almost went in there. Oh, it shoots out my ball, I think. I do. Oh, I'm hate. Wait. Oh, I'm like a little shithead dog. I am so evil. Oh, I have to dunk it. I bet you anything I have to dunk it. Alright, like Jordan in his prime. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Jordan in his prime! Did it go in? Didn't go in. Throw! Jordan in his prime. Oh, wait, no! No, they go too far. I'm small. No, that's not how this works. No. Jordan is prime, shooting from the line. What did I take? I took an Amazon box. I could be a border collie, and that's badass. Wait. Oh, that was in the other room. Oh, I have no idea what I did. I framed out. Boink. No, I could do it. Big boy. Yeah, let's go see what mayhem we could cause. Yay! I'm too small for that. I wonder. Like, this game, you could tell this game still has a lot of development to go, but it's kind of worth it. Oh, I don't like that one as much. Boink. Toilet paper. No. Gonna write. Oh my god. How much? This. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh my god. Wow. That is a ton of his toilet papel. Whee! Oh, I should have. Oh, yeah, that's what I gotta do. Ooh, oh, well, I look like a helicopter. Whee! Yeah, dude. New badge. I got all the thingy. Yeah. What else do I need to? I don't know how many more I have. I have food, pee, toilet, and poo, pee, toilet, and then the silver thing, or the gold thing. I don't think I could get into the. Okay, so I ate the food there. You know what? Let's see what's in this room, because I don't think I've messed in this room. Oh, it's a Labrador one. Oh, that's adorable. That's Labradorable. That's such a bad joke. I'm so sorry, everybody. Oh my god. Charlie, you kind of suck as a dog, dude. You're just a gremlin, bro. I don't think I'm stuck. I think I know exactly what I gotta do. Just don't know if I have the heart to do it. Like, your family works really hard for this stuff, and I'm just a little asshole. That's what I am. Like, we're gonna connect. Oh, we couldn't even connect it. That sucks. Beep. Yeah. Oh my god. Dr. Sman. Yay. What am I? Oh my god, I can be a chihuahua. If I'm a chihuahua, there's the chunkla. Wait, I have destroyed literally everything. There we go. Do I need to put more shit down the top? Oh, no. Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was our gameplay for Doggy Don't Care. Go ahead, wish list that, play the demo for yourself. I'm super excited. And like I said, the only reason why I'm playing this game, the only reason why I'm having so much fun is essentially because my dog is that dog. And it was so fun to be able to play this. It was so exciting to be able to play this. And I hope you guys have the same amount of fun as I did. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for chilling out at Downtown, and we'll see you guys in the next one.